My name is Shashank Harsit Singh, and today we will discuss about a brief overview on geographical indications. So, what are geographical indications? The geographical indications are signs which are used uh, on products and which has a specific geographical origin and which ensures the quality and the reputation of the origin of that thing. For example, if you will go through Kolhapuri chappals or Muzaffarpuri lychee, you'll find that they had a special reputation, or Allahabadi amrud, Allahabadi guava. So you'll find that if it is in market, someone is selling and he will say that this is Allahabadi guava and Kolhapuri chappal, so people are ready to pay for that if they are original. So they have a special reputation. Why geographical indications are given? The geographical indications are given because that particular thing is originated in a particular area and that has an specific reputation and quality. Also, geographical indications comes under IPR, which identifies a good as originating in respective territory of a country and which has in are special in a special locality, you can say. So, what particularly geographical indications do? So they identify the goods as the origin, as where is the origin, where is the particular locality they have been originated. Second, they suggest the customers to buy that thing or to use that thing, okay, because of their quality. Third is they promote the goods of producers of a particular reason. The reason is to support them, because in a particular area if something is being produced and that has a special quality, so it is supposed to support them. If you will go in technical aspect, then Article 22 of the TRIPS agreement defines geographical indications as signs that originate in a member or identify a good location in an area or locality where the given quality, reputation, or specialty is assigned to its geographical location is given is essentially acceptable. So that is the TRIPS where Article 22 define that. Also in India, you will see that there are many geographical indication tags like basmati rices and Kolhapuri chappals, Kanjivaram saris, and Odisha Rasgulla, so many things. Now, second thing, you'll go, what is the benefit of geographical indications? If there is geographical indication, then what is the benefit? So there are many benefits of geographical indications, like they have a special access to use geographical indications. Second is they can sue in case of infringement. They can protect their like they have legal rights relating to that particular product. It promotes the economic prosperity of that particular area. It provides legal protection to the goods and services offered there. And now, what if that things are, how many things are registered under geographical indication? So there must be things which cannot be registered under geographical indications. So there are many things which cannot be registered under geographical indication, whose use can cause confusion and which are contrary at the which are contravenous to the law at any time, which includes libellous matters which have common names which can create confusion. So these items cannot be registered. Now, what are the rights of the holders who have GI holders? So they have right to sue, they have right to grant license, यानी कि वो किसी को लाइसेंस दे सकते हैं. They have right to exploit and they have right to get relief, यानी कि वो exploit कर सकते हैं, उस चीज़ को use कर सकते हैं. And they have also right to get relief, कि उनको अगर कोई जो है उसका क्या करता है, infringement करता है, तो उनको relief मिलेगी उन केसेस में. अब जब हम वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इन्फ्रिंजमेंट, सो इन्फ्रिंजमेंट में इनकी रेमेडीज़ भी होनी चाहिए. तो रेमेडीज़ क्या है कि इन्फ्रिंजमेंट के अगर इन्फ्रिंजमेंट होता है तो दो टाइप की रेमेडीज़ मिलती हैं. एक सिविल रेमेडी है एंड क्रिमिनल रेमेडीज़ हैं. तो सिविल रेमेडीज़ में आपका इंजंक्शन है एंड डैमेजेस का क्लेम है, जहाँ पे आपको डैमेजेस का जो है क्लेम मिलता है. अलग थर्ड थिंग इज़ लाइक डिस्ट्रक्शन है, या फिर जो है इन्फ्रिंजिंग लेवल्स जो हैं उनका डिस्ट्रक्शन कर दिया जाएगा, या फिर जो है उनका एंड फॉर फ्यूचर ऑफ गुड्स. ठीक है. दूसरा है क्रिमिनल जो रेमेडीज़ हैं. क्रिमिनल रेमेडीज़ में इफ़ यूल गो थ्रू द एक्ट यू विल फाइंड दैट फ्रॉम सेक्शन 38 to 44 देयर आर मेनी रेमेडीज़ प्रोवाइड अंडर दैट. वहाँ पे लाइक फॉल्सली रिप्रेजेंटेशन है. फॉल्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन है कि अगर कोई फॉल्स जो है जोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशंस का टैग किसी चीज़ पे लगाता है या फिर गुड्स को सेल करता है फॉल्स टैग लगा के, तो वहाँ पे आपकी अप फ्रॉम 6 months to 3 years की जेल है एंड लाइक 50,000 टू 2 लाख का फाइन है. सेकंड इज़ कि अगर कोई फाल्सिफिकेशन करता है किस चीज़ की, रजिस्टर में एंट्री की, यानी कि जो जोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन में जो रजिस्टर की एंट्री होती है उसमें फाल्सिफिकेशन करता है, या फाल्सली रिप्रेजेंट करता है किसी जोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशंस को, या फिर जो अपना बिजनेस का प्लेस है उसे गलत बताता है, जैसे कि है वो कहीं और का. लाइक ही इज़ फ्रॉम दिल्ली एंड ही इज़ टेलिंग दैट कि ही इज़ ब्रिंगिंग दैट कोल्हापुरी चप्पल फ्रॉम कोल्हापुर. सो इन दैट केसेस यहाँ पे जो फाइन होगा वो यहाँ पे फाइन हो जाता है आपका मतलब फाइन कोर्ट के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा एंड लाइक इम्प्रिजनमेंट 3 years की हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट इसकी सब्सिक्वेंट अगर जो है, अगर एक बार जीआई का उसने इन्फ्रिजमेंट कर दिया फिर उसके बाद सब्सिक्वेंट करता है, तो उन केसेस में जो मिनिमम इम्प्रिजनमेंट होगी वो 1 year होगी, मैक्सिमम 3 years होगी, और फाइन जो होगा मिनिमम 1 lakh होगा, विच में एक्सटेंड टू 2 lakhs. Now we will go through conclusion and my opinion is that कि अगर if somebody has some special skill and you are not giving him special advantage, then that is not justice, that is unfair to him. So that's why geographical indications are providing a special status to the thing which has been produced in a special area which has a special quality and which can be produced in that area only of that quality. If you will find Allahabadi guavas in Banaras, then you can't find that. You will not able to grow that in particular Banaras. That will be grown in Allahabad only. That will, because the quality that ensure that will be ensured will be of Allahabadi guavas only. Okay, so geographical indications has facilitated commerce by identifying authentic product of quality to the customers and also defending them from counterfeiting, ताकि कोई उसका जो है काउंटरफिट ना कर सके, कोई उसका नकली सामान ना बेच सके, नकली उसका नकल ना बना सके, एंड लाइक उसका जो क्वालिटी है वो मेंटेन रहे ताकि लोगों के अंदर विश्वास बना रहे. थैंक यू.